When we first started here, our warehouse was Jordan's garage and our office was Jerry's carport, and that's where we had the very first official Fortress meeting. And to have that excitement of going from there into a room where you're full of 70, 80 people is just incredible.
The people are what satisfies our customers. It starts when the phone rings and it works straight through the process.
It's like a family here. People really care about each other, and it's awesome. You just have to spend a few minutes on a job to see the camaraderie our crews have. They're just awesome guys. They work together great. They're a team.
It's hard to really grasp how to explain the feeling you get by working here. You don't have this anywhere else.
We use the word ownership. We want everybody that works for us to own their position like it's their company. We give them the ability to make decisions on our behalf. We don't have to be part of every decision.
It makes it the best job that I've ever had.
Things just keep getting better and better, and we're just becoming more collected and more efficient day by day.
We don't get called out just to waterproof a basement. That's what it starts at. And during the process, our team discovers what the real purpose is, and we work towards that purpose. Their daughter's bedroom downstairs is leaking, or they have parents that are moving back into the home. There's always a why behind the story.
Get these dull, dark, wet basements that are just completely nasty, and we go through and completely reroute them and make them to something beautiful. Not only are we changing that basement, but we're changing this customer's life at the same time. And I think that makes it really easy to do what we do.
We want to help you. We're not just trying to sell you something. One of the things that they train us on to help us value people and to know that we are helping a person, not just working on a sale, is to have the person that means something to you, and that's the person you're envisioning every time you're talking to. And for me, it's my mom. She died 4 years ago, and I would never sell her something that she didn't absolutely need.
You know what, this work is hard, but that's why customers choose Fortress, because we will do the hard stuff. That protection that the word Fortress entails.
This is a legacy. We're not building something that's only going to be here for 10 years. This is going to be here for 50 years, 100 years. That's the game plan.